Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Ibotta at Dollar General. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Using Ibotta at Dollar General is easy. First is by submitting a receipt or linking your Dollar General account. So in order to submit a receipt, what you need to do is head over and open up your Ibotta app. Then once you are here, log in to your account with your credentials, and now once logged in, tap on retailers and search for Dollar General. Then find ad offers for items you plan to buy by tapping on the plus button. Then shop at Dollar General and keep your receipt. Now open the app once again and then tap on the redeem at the bottom, and now select Dollar General. Then take a photo of your receipt, making sure all details, store name, date, total and items are visible. Submit the receipt and wait for the cashback. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, and see you soon in the next one.